guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys all enjoyed my last video. Today we're here at Kitsilano Beach. We're gonna go have a look and hang out for a bit, so come and enjoy. In a coffee shop. Yes, I spilled some coffee down the side of it. But yeah, found a coffee shop. I got a mocha. It's really good. Yeah, really good. Really good. I'm gonna go over this way. Oh, the sky is so beautiful. Look at this sky. It's so beautiful. And here's Kitsilano Beach. What looks like an ice cream truck or cart. Oh, beautiful sunset. As you can see, there's a playground there. People playing beach volleyball. And then there's a restaurant over there, right on the beach. Such a beautiful view of the sunset. All the boats around it. And the view of the city. And then looking down the beach as the sun keeps going down. Beautiful view. Let's see how cold the water is. Oh, it's not bad. Check it again. Oh, looks like the tide's going out. Let's just see, yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. There's the sunset from where I'm standing. Water definitely looks like it's coming in now. Volleyball. Oh, they're done playing volleyball for now. But looking further down the beach. So we're hanging out here in downtown Vancouver. We're gonna go for a drive home through Vancouver, so come and enjoy. Driving in Surrey now. We're out of Vancouver. A little late there, bud. Oh, and look at that. There's a train going by. But I'm not getting stuck at the crossing. There's the train going pretty slow. Oh, is that the end? Oh, there's the end of the train. Ha! We got the end of the train there. Well, that's going to end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Think positive, kick negative, keep on with the outdoors, and y'all know what to do. You gotta just like the video, subscribe down below, and turn on the ring bell notifications to all notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah, you're all up to date. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out and have a great night.